Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys character level styling. If you grab a text plus element and drop it on your timeline, you can add in your text, but you can't control the individual elements of the title. And if you wanted a different sort of styling on various words or elements inside, you have to just stack the text plus layers. Well, you can actually control all this over in the Fusion page. So from your text plus element, wherever you would add your title, right click, and you're going to choose character level styling here. And then click this Fusion shortcut tab. And that'll move this element over to Fusion, give you a template node. Now you can see we have a secondary category here called modifiers. So here you can change the title, and this is like your general text. But when you go into modifiers, you get this same window. If we were to highlight title over here in your preview window, you'll get this green boxing around whatever element you're going to choose. So it could be a single letter or the entire word. Now you're modifying just the characters. So if we double click color for this example and shift that over, we now have control over that. If you wanted to change each and every letter and have some kind of stylized element, you can highlight just the single letter and choose to rotate it or change the X and Y position. You get the idea. And that'll carry back over to your edit page whatever changes you make in here. So if you have a custom title and you animate it or something like that, once you click back over to the edit page, that is now part of this element, and you can see the little Fusion dots right in the text plus icon on your edit page. It now says Fusion title text plus, and you can still change some elements about this, such as the size and the tracking, things like that. It still sees it as a single clip. So any of the individual customization, you got to go do in the Fusion page. But if you needed to resize or reposition it or something like that, you can still hit transform or text layout and move things around as you need to. Now, if you notice, this green box is still around the eye. This is newer to Resolve 19. Under the drop down, we now have Fusion overlay. So in a way, it behaves like that Fusion page does, but all the functionality isn't there. So you do have to go back over to the Fusion page to actually manipulate the individual things. But if you have that selected as the entire word, that'll work. But as you can see, the eye stays in place because it's individual character styling. All right, so that's how you can customize each letter or each word in your titles without having to stack titles. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.